Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and I'm so glad that you're joining me today because I am making honey garlic shrimp. These shrimp are to die for. If you love shrimp, you're going to love these because they are sweet and salty, sticky, garlicky. My family absolutely loves them, and they're gone in a matter of minutes whenever I make them. So let me show you just how to make them. It's super easy and quick. And just for a quick reminder, please subscribe if you have not already. And I'm putting out recipes every single Monday and Thursday, and I do not want you to miss out on any of them. So if you hit that little notification bell icon that you see just below this video, you will know as soon as I upload a new recipe. And also give me a big thumbs up and let me know that you like this video. All right, so the shrimp that I'm using today, I actually have a bag of frozen raw shrimp that I found in the freezer section. I have let the shrimp thaw completely, and so now what I am doing is I'm removing the shells and then deveining any that needs to be deveined. And I'll show you, let me show you how to do this. Okay, these shrimp have already been sliced so that it's easy to remove the shell. You just peel it back. And I'm just peeling it back to the tail and then just pulling it off. And this shrimp looks pretty clean, so that one's good to go. And again, you can see this shrimp has been deveined. It's nice and clean. Sometimes you'll find one that has not been sliced, so you'll have to kind of take a knife and go around the back. Just makes it easier to get that shell off and just make a slight slice through the back, and then you can just pull that shell right off. Okay, here is one with that still has the vein, so I just kind of grab it and just get rid of that. All right, this is my last shrimp to remove the shell. All right, and this one does have a vein, so I want to remove that as well. Okay, so they're all nicely cleaned. So now I'm going to make the marinade and pour over the shrimp after I clean up my mess. So to make the marinade, it is super easy. It is just 1/4 of soy sauce. I am using a reduced sodium soy sauce, and then 1/3 cup of honey, and then 3 garlic cloves, then I'm just going to mix this together until the honey is nicely dissolved in the soy sauce. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is pour this marinade over my shrimp. And then I'm just going to mix, stirring this shrimp, making sure they're all nicely coated and submerged in this delicious honey, soy, garlic marinade. Okay, now this looks good. All right, so one of the things I love about this dish is it's a quick marinade, meaning you can just whip this up, let your shrimp marinade in this delicious sauce for just 15 minutes and it'll be fine. Or if you wanted to make it, say, the morning of and leave it in your refrigerator all day, that's also fine. It's completely up to you, whatever saves you some time. So I'm going to cover this and I'm going to put this in my refrigerator for just a couple hours. Okay, my shrimp has been marinating for a couple hours, so now it is time to cook up the shrimp. I do want to talk you through this process of cooking your shrimp though. so that you get a nice caramelized, sticky texture on that shrimp. It is so delicious, and there's a little trick to it. You will need a hot skillet, and then you only place a few shrimp in that skillet at a time and get a good sear on each side. You do not want to just dump all your shrimp in because it kind of steams it and it doesn't have the same effect. Trust me, you will want to follow this step. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm using a cast iron skillet, but you can use a non-stick. And if you do, there's no need to add any oil or anything to that. Then you just want to take one shrimp at a time and place in your skillet, leaving a good amount of room between each piece of shrimp. And this will ensure that you have a nice sear on your shrimp. All right, so that is good. I'm gonna let them cook a couple minutes on this side, then I'm gonna flip them and let them cook a couple minutes on the next side. It really goes quick. Okay, so once you see that your shrimp start to turn pink, then just flip them over on the other side. And you see that beautiful like caramelization there? That's what you're looking for. All right, so I'm going to remove the shrimp and put them on a plate and then start a new batch. Oh, these shrimp look so good. All right, so next, I have a little bit extra of this marinade, so I just grabbed a small skillet, and I'm going to pour this marinade into this little skillet. I'm going to turn the fire on and bring it up to a boil. It'll get nice and kind of thick, like a nice glaze, and then we can use this for our shrimp. All right, so as you can see, this marinade has reduced. It's starting to get kind of thick and glossy. It is going to be a delicious glaze for this shrimp. All right, this shrimp is beautiful and it is fantastic. I know that you are going to love it. And I just want to say a big thank you to Missy. She is the one who showed me how to make this. She makes it for my family every year when we go to the beach, and it is gone in a matter of minutes. This is my son's very favorite. He could seriously eat this whole plate. I really hope that you give this a try. I'm telling you, it is so good. It's sweet and salty and garlicky. Wow. That is amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.